Would you like to generate extra income or grow your USDT in a simple way, but without complications and with clear rules from the very beginning? Wait, because this is not like what you usually see. Imagine this. It's like playing a game where there is no human referee, because the rules are written into a system that cannot be manipulated, does not act on emotion, and does not favor anyone. Or like an automated vault, where you define the conditions and it only opens when those conditions are exactly met. Not before, not after, and not for anyone else. That's how the technology behind all of this works. This is TrustPlay, a platform where dynamics operate with clear and automatic rules, without relying on promises. All of this works thanks to smart contracts on blockchain technology, which allows the rules to execute automatically and ensures every action is recorded transparently and immutably. And within TrustPlay is OddsWin, the first dynamic created as a simple way to participate and grow your USDT. OddsWin works through multiple rounds, and in each round you participate by acquiring boxes. Each round has a limited number of boxes, but here's the interesting part. Each box contains two numbers and participates in the system until all boxes are sold. And once that happens, a winning number is selected. The box that contains that number wins the main prize. For example, if there are 5,000 boxes and each one costs 2 USDT, the prize is 2,000 USDT. The winning number is drawn live through a third-party vault selection, so everyone can see it, and payments are sent automatically to each wallet. You can participate without referring anyone. However, when you purchase at least one box, you are assigned a personal link as a round member. You can acquire as many boxes as you want to increase your chances of getting the winning number. But here's what most people don't know. You don't need to win the prize to generate income. You can also earn by referring others. You share your round member link if you decide to recommend the platform. And if one of your referrals purchases one or more boxes, you immediately and automatically receive 25% of the value of each box they buy. However, that is not the only way to earn commissions. If your buyers also recommend the platform, for each box purchased by those new referrals, you receive another 25% additional commission, also automatically. This rule is defined as an incentive to help the people you referred also generate income. Example: if you purchase one box for 2 USDT and you have 100 referrals, and each of them gets at least one box, but also each of them sells at least 20 boxes, your total commission in this scenario would be approximately 1,050 USDT. And if someone you invited gets the winning number, you also win with the second prize, the sponsor of the winner. Additionally, there are special incentives at the end of each round for the top box buyer and the top referrer. This is not all. There are also membership NFTs that allow you to receive benefits in every round. The silver membership has only 50 units available and can be obtained for free after acquiring 50 boxes. The gold membership is even more exclusive, with only 5 units available. These memberships allow you to receive benefits even without active participation in each round. So, the round ends when there are no more boxes left and the winning number is selected. At that moment, all distributions are executed automatically through smart contracts, eliminating intermediaries or administrators. Everything is automatic and immediate. Distribution for the main winner, for the sponsor of the winner, for the top box buyer, for the top referrer, and for silver and gold membership holders. And the best part, you can start with just 2 USDT. All you need is a wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, USDT on the Polygon network, and an invitation link to join. You enter and acquire your first box. Each round ends and a new one begins, and you can keep participating. Important: in each new round, the people you referred stay with you. They are not lost. But to continue generating commissions from their new purchases in future rounds, you must acquire at least one box in that round. If you want to get started, contact the person who shared this video with you or reach out through the chat in the description.
TrustPlay operates independently, the rules are public and are executed through smart contracts, and no results are guaranteed other than those defined within them.